created, okay? So this group right here, you guys are the letter D. The letter D stands for dominant. Your color is green. When you hear the color green, what does it make you think of?
Money.
Money, action, go, come on, you're wasting our time. Let's get going, let's go. Your symbol is an exclamation point because everything in your life is about getting stuff done. All right? Now pay attention to the people in this group because these are the people you never put on speakerphone. Right here. Never do that. You never know what's coming out of their mouth. Right here. Okay? Now, this group over here, you guys are the letter I. Your color is red and your symbol is a star. Woo! You just got a red star. Now, these people right here, these are the ones calling you for bail money. Right here. This group. These are the friends your parents warned you about right here. This group. Don't hang out with them. They're always in trouble. This group. Okay? This group over here. Can we just link arms?